Little Cotten the Goat has an exciting day at school ahead. Everyone will say a nursery rhyme at the front of the class, and he is quite nervous. When his feelings overwhelm him, his fur puffs up real big, then settles down again.
As Cotten walks to school, he thinks about the nursery rhyme he will share with his schoolmates. He is a little worried that he will puff up in front of everyone, but Cotten is brave.
I can do it. I will be brave.
Don't worry, Cotten. You will do wonderfully.
It's now time for school. It's time to learn how to build, and Cotten is stacking blocks real high. He reads a story about being brave, and Cotten is now feeling confident in himself. He hears his classmates practicing their talent.
The itty bitty spider went up the spout again. B-I-N-G-O and bingo, what's his name? Oh.
As Cotten walks nervously out on the stage, he looks around the room at his classmates.
Here I go. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Yay! You did it! You did it!
You did it!
Way to
Great
go.
job!
Yeah,
Way to go!
Great job!
Cotten puffed up again when he felt bashful.
Little Cotten, you were brave and did a great job. Now it's time for recess.
After recess, school was out and Cotten headed home. Cotten reflects on his day at school.
I was so nervous, but I did good today. I only puffed up 2 times. I'm going to talk to my parents about how I felt nervous and was brave when I talked in front of the classroom. I am so proud of myself. I am so glad you are here today. Do you have an emotion or feeling that you are not sure what it means? Have you ever felt the way Cotten did today? How did you express yourself? Learn to talk and express yourself with your mom, your dad, your family member, your teacher, and your friends.
Encourage social emotional learning and conversations with your child using these instant download SEL feeling cards with 23 unique questions for children ages 2 to 8 years old. A great resource for reinforcing social emotional development in a gentle, age-appropriate way. Click the link below to purchase now, and don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share.